footprints all over it.
But I'm happy with that.
Yeah, good stuff. My battery's going flat on my camera. This was a fully charged battery. But I have been recording now for 32 minutes. Not to mention the other bit of the video.
But we might have a plan for other things to help with start loads in the house.
Yeah, we've got some nice big, wherever it's disappeared to. It's not there anymore, it's vanished. Is it in there?
Where's it gone?
Is it in the top drawer? There we go.
A nice big capacitor that may help. We'll trial it.
We'll try and run a couple of them in line.
It's got a plug on it, which is a bit naughty.
Yeah, another naughty plug.
If we plug that in and then unplug it, obviously there's still a charge between the two pins.
So you have to get a screwdriver on it and just discharge it.
Yeah, that's it. You see some marks where we've done
We've been naughty, look.
And it does give a big blast, that.
That should nicely smooth out any surges. We get a couple of those in line, you know, with this guy.
It will help out a bit.
Help out a bit on surges.
I mean, it can handle it, no problem, but it's a nice thing to help it in a way. And if there ever was a bad power factor, which you shouldn't get with this, it should help smooth it out. But
good stuff, huh?
Yeah, excellent. There'll be more updates on this, of course. Probably be a while till it's completely wired in because busy at work and that. But
yeah, that's about it. That's about it, guys.
Any questions about it? We will try and answer them.
Well, I'll forward them on to my brother here. I don't want a load of questions in my inbox about it because I don't know much about these things. I'd like to, but yeah.
Oh, it's got a. May as well explain. It's got an annoying power saver feature on it. It might be good for some people, but if you put it on power saver, it'll pulse the outlet for a second every 6 seconds. So if it's anything below 15 watts, it'll keep turning it on and off, which is going to be a pain in the arse if you've got computer controlled stuff or loads that aren't enough to turn this on. It's like the air conditioner, it wouldn't start that up on power saver mode because it's computer controlled.
Yeah, exactly.
It's IC controlled, so it would just keep turning it on and off. So it's not really much use for anything, it's just a marketing pun. That's about all there is to say about it, really.
Yeah, other than the fact it's completely awesome. Yeah.
Oh, automatic generator start as well.
Oh yeah, so if the power goes off, it'll automatically close a relay?
If the battery starts going below a certain voltage.
Oh, right.
This is just a relay, basically. Those two will become a closed circuit rather than an open circuit. And it'll close the circuit, and you connect that up to a generator with a facility to automatically start. And obviously when power comes into this, it'll automatically start putting the charge back into the batteries from your generator and also feed the house.
And obviously if you had some form of like, if you was to hack, say, a car alarm, one of these car alarms where it's got an automatic starter on it, you know, from remote control, like what my Toad alarm's got.
Yeah.
You could also, you could, if you was a bit of a hacker man, you could hack that into it so that as soon as it detected charge, it would turn the generator off.
As soon as
the power, as soon as the power come back.
Yeah.
You know, on.
I think you can do that. I think it's got the settings on it with these dip switches.
Oh, it's fantastic, isn't it? That?
They've thought of everything. They really have.
Chinese people, guys and girls, if you can find one that's not a copy of a copy, and just find the copy of the original, you get some good stuff.
That's it.
Yeah, this is actually made with nice components inside it as well. Not top quality, but
good enough.
Good enough, yeah.
It was
something like this will last us a long time.
Yeah, it was quite cheap for what it is. If you looked into the professional market for something like this, you'd be talking silly money.
Yeah, 6 or 7 grand.
Yeah, honestly.
Crazy money.
You can get them in 3-phase as well.
Which would be awesome. Imagine that.
From the same company I got this from.
What you want though is what you'd want, right? Is you'd want single phase input, 3-phase output.
Yeah.
And run all your stuff off it, like all your mills and your lathes and all your pillar drills.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
Like, you can use it as a converter as well.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. It'd be interesting that. Charge the batteries up off single phase using a different charger, and then have the batteries running into it using a bit of a wasteful way of doing it, but if the power was to ever go out, you can still run all your machine shop.
That's it.
Fun stuff.
Obviously, we don't recommend anything we did in the video, and it's just for
this was all
educational.
Testing. This was all educational purposes.
Yeah.
I'll actually put that at the beginning of the video.
No, we definitely will not ever set anything up like this long term. I think it's quite a okay thing to do in a power outage, as long as you definitely isolate yourself from the grid.
Yeah.
And you know, you want to hook up a generator or something. But other than that, I would never do anything like that. It's like this now. If I plug that into the wall, it's going to backfeed into me inverter,
yeah, which could blow it up.
Which probably will blow it up. It should have protection against it, but I don't trust it.
So it's something you don't do. You don't trust it.
That's it. But
we don't want to blow things up.
I think we're good. Look at that.
It's good. It's so good. It's a shame to actually have it outside. You want it like as part of your living room table, don't you?
I mean,
you want it on wheels, on legs, and part of your living room table. It just looks so nice.
The fan won't speed up in this until it runs at about 20% or 10% with hardly any load. And until it gets to about half load, which is going to be about 6 kilowatts, it won't start really speeding up until then. It's also temperature controlled. It's got two 48 volt fans in it, and one 240 volt fan in it, which will run with a charging circuit. They're also available in split phase, these proper split phase. So if you're in the US and you run on a 120 volt / 240 volt system, where both your phases come together, you can hook up that into the breaker box and use it properly in a US home.
Man, these Chinese guys should hire you as a damn salesperson.
I like to explain stuff well.
Details. Details are the cream.
They are.
They're the icing on the cake, details are. I love details.
I was looking through the manual before I got it and I thought, God, I love them specifications.
Oh, the specifications.
That's it. I think there's been a lot of talking now. Too much.
Too much talking. So, guys and girls, from me, John, John Dragonman, that is.
And me, Alec.
And him, Alec. I'll catch you all on the next on the next video, and you all take care. Peace out.